guys, it's Nelly here from Barb-Bash. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing, so let's get to it. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another awesome Barb-Bash video. In today's video, I will be doing the Nickelodeon Super Slime unboxing. And as you can see, guys, this box is pretty big, so I'm excited to see what slime mysteries it holds. So let's go ahead and take a look inside, shall we? But before we do, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe. Okay, so do I need a knife for this? Or, oh, it slides off. Okay, let's just like slide it off. Oh wow, there's like no point to that. Okay, ready? Let's open it up. Oh, wow. It's just a... First things first is that it's a like manual with all the different types of slimes you can make with it. It looks pretty cool, but I'm not going to do that right now. So as you guys can see, it's just a bunch of mystery boxes. Some tissue right there. So, whoa, this thing's heavy. It says what's inside. And then there's two other ones. Oh, whoa, it's actually 4 boxes. So what's inside of this one? That's true. And what's inside of this one? All right, and then there's one final box that says what's inside on the top. All right, let's just get rid of all that. All right, 4 boxes. Which one should I open first? You know what? I'm going to start from the smallest and work my way up to the biggest. This one's also pretty heavy. So, what's the smallest? Okay, so these are about the same. This one's a little lighter, so let's open it up. It's got some tape on it. All right. Oh, there, got it. Okay, so this is the stuff to put inside us. Oh, thank you. She got me scissors. Okay, I'll need this. Whoa, a lot of stuff. So this is all the stuff I can make my slime out of. So this is probably for the like squishy slime that makes a lot of sounds. Beads, bunch of sparkles. Ooh, googly eyes. All right, now let's open on this one. Use these scissors. Okay. Got it. Oh, now this one has paint. Whoa, a lot of paint. It's like a snake. So it's really long. Okay, so that's all the stuff. Where's like the actual slime? I need that. Okay, let's open up this one. It's pretty light. Okay, let's just like first do like that. Open. So these are probably the bowls that you make the slime in. There's like 3 different bowls. Ooh, and a bunch of these measuring cups, and then all the caps. Okay, just put it all in there. Okay. And then there's a bunch of mixing things, like they have little mini spoons, like frozen yogurt spoons. And then they have the like pretty much popsicle sticks to mix the slime with when you're making it. So just like get them all out. Okay, now let's see what's in this box. It's the heaviest. All right. This one, honestly, I think it's probably gonna be like the glue to actually make the slime. Like this. Ooh, clear slime glue. What's this one? More slime glue. And then this is the activator. And then this is white slime glue. And then there's just this tissue paper inside. Let's see. Make sure there's nothing in it. And then just go yeet. Okay, that was a weird yeet. So should I make a slime or not? Okay, I think I'm actually gonna make you guys a slime. So guys, I'm getting ready to make the slime. Well, I'm ready. I'm gonna use the instruction manual. And I think I'm gonna go with this crunchy slime because I just want to feel that crunch. You know what I'm saying? So wait, what am I doing? Okay, so use either the white glue or clear glue formula. I think I'm gonna do clear glue. And so there's directions on the front. So I think I'm gonna need a bowl. So measure 15 milliliters of clear glue. Okay, so probably use one of these measuring cups. They're like stuck together. Okay, got it. So clear glue, yeah, this is 15. Here's the 15. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's actually really satisfying. Let's make it to 15. Okay there. Oh wow, I literally got it perfectly on the line. It's like, okay, I don't need that anymore. So, gotta pour, it's like sticking to me, 15 into this. I'll use one of these to get it all in there. All right, got it into there. Okay, what's next? Measure 25 milliliters of water, room temperature. So I can use the same one, right? So I got the room temperature water here, already ready. Okay, I need a little bit more. Okay, here, got it. Now I just gotta put it in there. Okay. And then...
Hey, why don't we double it?
Double it? Okay, so double the glue and double the water?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's do this. Make a big slime.
The bigger the better.
That's true. Okay, so how much was it again? 15, so make it a little bigger. Okay, 15 glue. Pour it all in there. Put all the water. Put it all in there. Okay, and then stir the mixture until fully blended. Okay, well this is kind of weird. Whoa, it's like clear. You can't even tell that there's glue in there. Okay, whatever, it's blended. Now 5 milliliters of slime activator. And slowly pour it into the same bowl while stirring. Okay, so where's the activator? It's probably right there. Oh, I didn't even see it. Okay, that's fine. Wait, there's like leftovers in here. I gotta get it all out of there. Ugh. Get it all out. Okay, that's good. Then I just gotta get 5 milliliters. Only 5? What?
Or 10.
Milliliters not as satisfying. But that's alright. Okay, so it says to mix it and pour in this activator slowly. Oh, I can feel it already getting harder. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Yo, guys, look at that. That is cool. Okay, let's mix it all together. Oh, it feels so cool. Oh, I can already like pick it up. All right, let's get it all together. Because there's like leftover water on the side. Mix it all together. I think I can already just start touching this with my hand. Just stick this in there. And let's pick it up with my hands and mix it. That's so cool. I just made clear slime, but I'm gonna add the sticky thing in. Well, it's like sticky. It's really sticky. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, let's add in all that extra water that's on the side. I will admit, this is a teeny bit harder than I expected because the slime is like sticking, but it's fine. Whoa, it's like so cool. Okay, gotta get all the water into it. Okay, so it's pretty much, it's done. It looks so cool, guys. Like, this is the coolest thing ever. So I'll just keep it clear and then I'll add these little balls in. Here, I'll let my camera person play with the slime so it doesn't like stick to anything. While I get the little balls ready. I'm just gonna take some in my hand. Whoa, okay, you know what? Can I add the slime? I need to like add it all in.
You should have put it in a bowl.
I know, but it like sticks to the bowl. Oh yeah, maybe. Okay, so I'm probably gonna add more. That's not enough. But okay. Whoa, it feels so good. Okay, so I need to add some more because this is not complete.
Feels like Jello.
Yeah, it feels like Jello, literally. Whoa.
Oh wow, Nelly.
It's okay. I'll clean that up. That's fine. Oh, I'll just like stick it into my slime. Oh yeah, it just feels really good. Okay, let's just get it all into my slime. Oh, you guys. Whoa. Okay, well,
I got slime on my hands.
I got slime all over this. Okay, that's fine. I can clean that off later. This slime is messy. Okay. Let's get all of that into there. Maybe I should add some googly eyes along with it. No, I'm joking. Okay, so the slime is about... Okay, so I added all the balls in. Honestly, I think it makes the slime less sticky. And it makes it feel really good. Like, you guys, you have to get this slime kit. Look at that. It's like... You know what? Stick around to the end for some ASMR, because I'm feeling ASMR. Oh my gosh, this feels good. It's like... Okay guys, so like and subscribe and stay, because right now I finished the slime and I'm gonna do some ASMR. So, let's go!